Hi guys, it's Sam Mavit again. In this video, I have a few friends that I want to ask some questions. I just want to ask them few questions only. I will ask them different questions to one another so that they mustn't copy their answers. Can you please tell me three countries in Asia?
Three countries in Asia: Bangladesh,
Yeah.
India, Pakistan, Afghanistan.
Okay, fine. So, can you please tell me three countries in Africa? Any three?
Any three: Zimbabwe, Zambia, Malawi.
Okay. Can you please tell me any three countries in South America?
South America. No, I can't.
You can't.
I will never say.
Okay, my other friend, if you know any two countries in North America.
South Africa, America.
Thank you so much, guys. So, yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much.